Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present to you
The SS Hope It Floats.
Hope It Floats. I love this. What is your name?
My name's Imani. And hello, my name is Trace.
Nice job. What are you two going to do?
We are going to measure, use the volume.
Volume is liquid, so you're going to measure
We're going to measure
how much weight can go in here.
Yeah. How much mass can go in our vessel.
All right, very good. Go ahead and let's get started. What are you going to use to measure it with? Paper clips?
We're going to use grams.
Very good. All right, get started.
50. 100.
Nice job. 100 grams already. That's amazing. I'd put that in the middle. Put that in your cup.
150.
150 grams. Nice job, guys.
200.
Ooh, balance it.
250 grams.
Oh my gosh.
300.
Ooh, you might take that off. Oh wait, it's holding. You're good. Nice job.
320.
Ooh, it's balanced.
340. 360. 370. 300.
I would put that to the side, honey.
70.
Okay, pick those up and put it back on. Let's see what happens. You're at 3 what?
370.
Because the boat's still floating.
380. 390.
Oh no. One more will take you to 400. 400! Oh my gosh.
420. 430 grams. 400.
What is that?
450.
50. Nice. No, I think you're at 440. 440.
470.
Okay.
480.
Oh my gosh.
490. 495. 500.
Down she goes.
500 exactly. 500.
Nice job, guys.
Good.